Welcome to YOUCANIC, where we empower car owners and mechanics with direct access to detailed and authoritative factory repair manuals. Today, I'll guide you through registering, purchasing, and accessing these invaluable resources. First, visit our website or social media account. Once logged in, select My Manuals. Select your vehicle's make and model, then click on Purchase Manual. Our purchasing process is secure and user-friendly. After purchasing, your new manual will be listed under Purchased Manuals, along with its renewal date. Click View to access the manual. Inside, you may need to select the vehicle's trim from the top left corner. The manual includes various sections such as repair procedures, wiring diagrams, component locations, torque specifications, technical service bulletins, maintenance intervals, and other documents, allowing you to explore, search, and browse with ease.